This pic looks so ugly. I'll just search on YT how to take a good pic. Here is the top result.
I have a million signs that my fortune just begun. You got me jumping like wanna hold you down. Wanna hold you down.
Weird intro, but okay.
Wanna hold you down.
Bro, hurry up. WTF. What the actual fudge?
Fucking normies!